welcome back, y'all. We're here for another video. This one is going to be over perm rods. I've never done perm rods before, so I'm really curious to see how it's going to turn out. I don't know if this video is going to make it, but we'll see. I was going to do my hair anyway, so I'm just like, let me film it. So do my perm rods. I got some mousse, and then for my perm rods I got the pink ones. These are like the medium size, orange, and then white. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and part your hair into 4 sections. It's just easier to work in sections, and what I do is comb out each section, put a little bit of leave-in, and then I twist up each section to kind of get it out of the way so that it's not pretty much in my way when I'm trying to do the section that I'm working on. Then I take a little bit of mousse once I have all my sections pent up, and I put the mousse on the ends of the sections to try to damp it. Now I've seen some people do their twist outs where their hair is completely dry. With this one, obviously it's damp hair. Next, you're gonna divide your 4 sections into 2 to 3 subsections. I think in the back I did 2 sections, and then in the front I did 3 subsections, but it's up to you. And all I'm doing is flat twisting. So for those of you who don't know what a flat twist is, it's just where you pretty much twist down. So you start out with 2 pieces of hair, and then you just add on as you go, and that's kind of hard to explain, but it's easier when you just look at it. So again, start out with 2 pieces of hair, and as you twist down, add in more hair. Now I did these perm rods on some of them where I twisted the ends, like you can see right there, I was twirling it around, and then other perm rods I just wrapped it directly around the perm rod. Totally up to you. Again, I was just testing it out to kind of see which way I liked better. To be honest, I really liked, like in this clip right here where I'm twisting the end and then I wrap it around the perm rod. I really like that and prefer that, but going forward when I do my perm rods again, I won't do that because it just made it harder for me to untangle it when I was taking it down. So as far as the way it looked really cute when the curl came out, but because the ends were twisted, it made it harder to take it down. So again, here you can see I'm moving on to another section. I divided my front into 3 sections, but again, totally up to you. I did my front into the 3 subsections, started out with 2, twist down, and then in the front, because my hair is shorter, I did apply the smaller perm rods. Now, I didn't have any all my hair supplies because I wasn't working from home this day. I was at a friend's house, so I was with limited hair supplies. So if you have clips near you, it's probably a good idea to grab a bunch of clips. I only had 2, so that's why I was putting my hair in my mouth. But again, here you can see, divided the front into 3 subsections. I'm going to take my 2 pieces of hair, start out with 2 pieces, and then just twist and add in hair, twist, add in hair, twist, add in hair, twist, add in hair. And as you can see, section it into 2 pieces. Take a perm rod, whichever color or size you have or prefer, and then you are going to add it in. So that's pretty much it. I think y'all got it. I'm gonna stop talking right now. So this is the perm rod set. It's pretty much done. The only thing you need to do from here is to let it dry. Now, if you want to let it air dry, you can. It's about 10 o'clock at night, so I kind of want to go to bed. So I'm going to use the equivalent of a hooded dryer. I don't have one, but I got this from my local beauty supply store. If you watch YouTube videos, I'm sure you've seen it. If not, it's pretty much like a makeshift hair dryer. You put your hair under it. It has a little drawstring, and then it has a connector piece, which is really awesome because this is where your hair dryer goes. So you put this in here. Let me see if I can do it real quick. And it goes on like a scrunchie. You turn it on. You sit under your hooded dryer. So I'm about to go get myself something to eat because I'm hungry. But we're gonna see how this turn out. So I'm gonna eat, go to sleep, and we'll come back in the morning. All right, so we're just gonna start taking this out and see what happens. I don't have any oil, so I'm just using a little bit of hair grease. And I'm just kind of just trying to unravel these two-strand twists in a way that doesn't cause too much frizz, you know? Okay, got that. Taking my hair down, I'm kind of fluffing wherever I feel like it needs to be fluffed. Volume is something that I struggle with my hair. So I really like the volume that I'm getting with this. So this is definitely how I wear it. I can say that when taking it down, there are some areas where I have a significant amount of frizz, like here. But you know, for my first time, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it turned out pretty good. You know, with more practice, I'll get better. But for a first time, I felt like these are really good results. I love the volume. So I'm gonna show you how I would freak this hairstyle if I didn't like it, because I am someone who does like my wash and go, but just want to do something different for my people who are transitioning, or if you just like me, you just don't want to have to wet your hair every day, especially while it's cold. So the first way I would freak it is with a hat. If you know me in real life, you know I really love hats. So I like to wear my hats to the back. So this is a hat that I just have on hand. I think this looks so cute with a hat. Like, look at that. Like, if you don't have to be on no meeting call, you just trying to run to Walmart real quick. And especially like if the back is messed up, it hides that. So you can always freak it with the hat. Right? Super cute. Or let's say you gotta get on a Zoom call because you gotta go to work. So you can always kind of do some up, some down, which that's not news. But what I wanted to show you was, hold on, let me pull a little bit out right here. Let me pull a little bit out. If you have like bangs or something like that, you could probably do this one. And you could pin it up. You could pin it up. So if you have like a clip, so I don't have a clip. I'm not at home right at the moment, so I don't have all my hair supplies. But you could clip it up and kind of wear it like that. Obviously, you want to fix your curl a little bit. Trying to get some different hairstyles out of it, you can wear this. So again, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna practice this some more and become a better expert, because like I said, there are some areas like here where I have significant frizz where I just was not patient with taking it down. So make sure you're patient, but hope you learned something. I hope you like this video. If you do, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs some support. So I hope everyone has an amazing day. Thank y'all for watching. Mwah.